Welcome back to my channel. USA Cars Detail. The 2025 Honda CB Unicorn 150 is here, and it brings a perfect blend of style, performance, and reliability that every commuter dreams of. This new model is designed to keep up with modern riders while maintaining the legacy of comfort and durability that Unicorn is famous for. From the first glance, the bike grabs attention with its refined and premium design. The sleek fuel tank with sharp lines, chrome accents, and a well-contoured seat give it a bold yet elegant look. The 2025 version comes with updated graphics and a fresh paint scheme that makes it stand out on the roads. Honda has retained its iconic muscular stance while adding modern touches for a contemporary appeal. Under the hood, the 2025 CB Unicorn 150 is powered by a reliable 149.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine that delivers smooth and consistent performance. It produces around 12.7 brake horsepower of power and 13 Nm of torque, ensuring a perfect balance between efficiency and power. The engine is mated to a 5-speed gearbox, offering seamless gear shifts and a comfortable ride experience. Honda has tuned the engine for superior fuel efficiency without compromising on performance, making it ideal for both city commuting and occasional long rides. The refined Honda Eco technology ensures lesser vibrations, better throttle response, and an overall smoother ride. When it comes to comfort, the CB Unicorn 150 has always been a leader, and the 2025 model continues that tradition. It features a long and well-cushioned seat, offering excellent support for both rider and pillion. The riding posture is upright and relaxed, making it perfect for daily commuting. Suspension duties are handled by telescopic forks at the front and a monoshock at the rear, providing excellent stability and handling even on rough roads. The bike rides on 18-inch alloy wheels, ensuring durability and confidence on different terrains. For braking, Honda offers a front disc and rear drum combination, giving enough stopping power for city and highway conditions. The 2025 Unicorn also brings in some modern features that enhance convenience and safety. It now comes with an updated semi-digital instrument cluster that displays all essential information clearly. The inclusion of a side-stand engine cutoff feature adds an extra layer of safety. Honda has also provided single-channel ABS to ensure better control during sudden braking. With a 13-liter fuel tank and an impressive mileage of around 55 kmpl, this bike is highly practical for everyday use. Available in multiple stylish colors and priced competitively, the 2025 Honda CB Unicorn 150 is perfect for those who want a reliable, comfortable, and stylish commuter motorcycle. It combines Honda's legendary reliability with modern design and features, making it one of the best choices in its segment. So, if you're looking for a bike that offers the perfect mix of performance, comfort, and fuel efficiency, the new CB Unicorn 150 is definitely worth considering.